Muscle cars everywhere. Then this place, what an old school workshop.
You got me shit that bit.
Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today it's a very early morning on a Sunday. We're heading down to the Hercules Competition Engines morning meet. It's a coffee run, charity meet for cancer, which is awesome. But as you can see here, it is absolutely packed out with muscle cars everywhere. This is not something you see every day, like big power muscle cars absolutely everywhere. Freaking insane. All right guys, so we're just rocked up now. Hercules is down there, but then you've got this place here, it's Haus 356. I think they do like detailing and all that, but they also do like coffee and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty dope. We'll start from the start and then we'll work our way down to the Hercules workshop. Just starting right here at the start of the street, you got this beautiful RX3, God RX. You can tell this thing's got power behind it. You've got some fat tires, and have a suss of this interior, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. And have a look at that, the rear, beautiful. Let's look at this. You've got this sick V8 turbo, intercooler hanging out the bottom, and you've got some nice fat Siemens on it, looking absolutely beautiful. Have a look behind it, this Commodore HDT, absolutely beautiful. And then a really nice Mustang next to that too. There is just muscle cars everywhere, and this is just a street meet on a Sunday morning. Like, the muscle car scene in Sydney, it's underrated. Like, it's actually so good. And have a look at this, guys. Wow, it's a full lineup of Tiranas. This is actually sick. Wow. Yeah, a lineup of 3 SLR 5000s. Like, you just do not see this every day. And this is immaculate. Got this nice red one, green, and a yellow one. It's actually so nice. Another one here. It's beautiful. And then moving down, nice Mustang. Old school Mustang next to a new school Mustang, and look at that hanging out the bonnet. That is actually dope. And then you got this Tirana chilling here. What a mad lineup. And then, oh yeah, another, can't go wrong with another green SLR. All right, so it's starting to rain, which is why I got my hoodie on, with this Valiant Charger. Beautiful. Oh wow, and a black R34 GTR pulling in. That is sick. I think the Tiranas are leaving. Mustang. Listen to this thing, guys. That sounds freaking tough, man. That's nuts. The meet started at 7 and it's currently like 9 o'clock, so we obviously came a bit late, but that means we're going to hear a lot of V8 sounds. We're going to see a lot of the cars leaving, which is cool, but we'll try and do a bit of a walk around before everyone leaves. So before we head to the shop, I can see there's some cars parked back here. Starting off with this white SLR 5000, looking beautiful. I've seen quite a few SLRs today, which is mad. A sick XR6 turbo. And look at this Kingswood, guys. I think this is a HK Kingswood. Loving the white walls on it. It's got Venetians on the rear. A nice air filter out the bonnet. Literally can't go wrong. I'm going to try and bear through the rain and hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but this is Hercules Competition Engines over here. They build some of the toughest V8 and muscle cars in Sydney, Australia, or just Australia in general. They've been around for absolutely decades. If you guys know, you know that they're amazing. And this is a charity car meet for cancer. So the QR code will be up here and a link down below to donate. It's a really awesome thing that they're doing here, bringing car enthusiasts together for a good cause. Please guys, if you do have the means and if you're able to, please donate. Yeah, just showing support to the charity and to the people that organise this meet. That sounded amazing. We'll start off with this Mustang here, which is beautiful, and look at that. It's insane, guys. Just blown supercharger out the bonnet. Probably going to get copyrighted, so I'll just do some cinematic shots of the cars that are close to the workshop.
Got a wild heart, and it's roaring all around. Hercules brought the heavy, Haus 356 showed the way. Everybody paid their entry, every dollar on the day. For the kids, for the fight, we came dressed in steel and pride.
So Alex, this is the engine dyno room.
Yeah,
Alex has lost his voice, so
apologies.
But this is like you don't see this stuff anymore. Like I feel like back in the day, this is what you'd see.
This is proper old school. Back then, this is what you got. No hub dyno, no wheel dyno. We probably had wheel dynos back then, but this
is it.
This is it.
Run up the engine.
True numbers.
But it's just so cool that there's a full engine dyno room. Proper old school.
Very old school.
And Alex said this here is the engine room where they build all their engines too. So this place is like, if you've got a muscle car, you want to get it built, you've got engine dyno, you've got an engine room, V8s everywhere, and decades of experience. So then this place, what an old school workshop too. You've got like, drag racing photos on the walls surrounding everywhere. Like look at that at the back there, you've got a Dukes of Hazzard poster. That's sick. This place is like just old school rev head heaven. You literally just would not want to leave. And listen to that. Why would you want to leave? It sounds so good. All right, guys, so as you can see, all the cars are here, and standing here in the rain, the dedication is Mr. GT, Horsepower Addiction. How are you?
Pretty good, brother. You?
Yeah, good, man.
Camiseta, ladies and gents. This was like a Camiseta event. Crazy. The lads weren't mucking around.
If you guys want to see all the cars leaving this muscle car meet, hit up Horsepower Addiction, Mr. GT.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks a lot for those kind words.
And guys, this red Camaro that we had a look at earlier, this is actually my good friend Alex's dad's car, and he's driven it today, and he's like, Jordan, come for a ride. So we're going to finish off the video going for a ride in this cracker 1968 Camaro. Yeah, and he actually told me that this paint on this car is full original as well. That is pretty special. That, yeah, it's full original paint on this thing. What a classic. But I'm keen to go for a ride in this thing. Man, that sounds bloody nuts,
bad,
eh?
Bro, not bad at all.
That's like, we got 4 cylinders, that's like twice the size of our engine.
Twice the size.
Alex, it sounds nuts, bro. It sounds insane. That's what you call an engine.
Oh,
that's what you call an engine.
Built by the best.
Built by Hercules. Is this car fully built by Hercules?
Yeah, fully built.
Wow.
Look, it's just a baby motor.
That's
just a baby motor. It's just a little 350. That's
How much
it
power does it make?
Mid-4s. It's still the original block. The original block from 1968.
Wow, bro. And it's making that much power and sounds
it's full shaking the car. Look at it. Fucking bad.
Big can, man.
Man, I had one of these things in Need for Speed Carbon back in the day. I can't believe I'm about to go in one. I'm excited. It's going to be weird sitting on the right side.
Hold the steering wheel. Yeah. So if a car comes fast, I'll just hold the steering wheel.
Do me for an LBT. Yeah. Look at this handle.
You want me to meet?
That's sick. Man, this feels so weird being in the right side of the car and not driving. It sounds cracker. Just casually a GDR on that side. Where's the mirror on this side?
There isn't one.
Why is that?
The factory. It doesn't come with a passenger mirror.
Bro, I guess you only need to use that one.
Yeah, that one. Or
Like that.
Or you turn your head.
Yeah, which is the old school way. Just use your head and look. I love that. I just love the old school dash setup.
Look how detailed it is. Like, look at the radio.
That is insane. 4-speed as well. 4-speed manual. Freaking sick, man. It's a nice cruiser. What a vibe, eh?
Mad vibes.
Bro, turning heads. Everyone's looking. Oh, I love that in between gears there, bro.
And then a little rev match. Yeah.
What's this car like to drive, bro?
When you're driving, the steering, the best. When you stop, you're gonna need a ratchet strap to help you turn because this has got no power steering.
Wow.
No ABS, no power steering, no traction control, none of that malakia. This is proper old school.
Raw. Like
Basically,
proper raw
yeah,
driving
proper
experience. So a lot different to your GTR.
Yeah, GTRs, S15s. Like they're still raw, but it doesn't get as raw as this.
Yeah, this is just
This
proper raw driving experience. It's mad to see it, eh? Like being able to like see all these muscle cars and be around them, and let alone now like being inside one. Like, bro, it's just a whole different experience.
Yeah.
And thank you again for bringing me along, bro.
Anytime.
Just at idle, bro. Just the whole car shaking. Well, you know what I mean? And I love that it's got lap belts as well.
Not gonna save ya. Anyway, they did it back then.
I just love the smell. That old school, like every old car has that smell.
Yeah.
I can't explain it.
It's vinyl. It's the vinyl.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's the vinyl.
It smells freaking amazing. Oh man, the sound. You can't beat a V8.
You can't.
You just can't.
Like we love our turbo cars, but this
Can't beat
you
it,
just
bro.
can't beat.
NA.
NA
It's just
proper.
raw. XB we're pulling up on. Yeah.
Pocket the GT2.
That's sick. It's mad seeing another muscle car when we're in one.
Oh yeah. And they always appreciate you. Like thumbs up, say hello. That's how the community is.
It's different from being in a JDM. It's weird not having a mirror bar. I'm used to looking in the mirror to see what's coming.
Yeah, I know.
I have to proper turn around. Yeah, that thing's beautiful. Bro, see that? They gave us a nod and a wave. Yeah, it's clean, man. Beautiful.
See ya, bro.
That's proper. So you stopped, had a chat. What's it like driving left-hand drive, bro? Like compared to right-hand drive?
Left-hand drive, you got to stay more to the centre line. Then us on the right-hand side, that we stay
To the right line?
Yeah, to the right.
Because it feels so weird being a passenger, but like I can't imagine what it would be like driving. Eh?
Yeah, it's different.
Because I heard a lot of people like in Australia that drive left-hand drive, you find yourself like kind of pulling to one side.
Yeah, you do.
But it seems like you've got the hang of it, bro. Cracker.
I've only driven the car about 4 or 5 times.
Very
the
like
first
natural.
time when I was like 16, and I was not even on, I think it was on my oils, or maybe didn't have a license back then.
No way.
And me and dad, you guys jump in, we'll go for around the block.
Bro, what a legend.
Yeah.
Your dad's the best, man. That's cracker.
Yeah. Shout out to my dad.
How long's your dad had the car for?
18 years.
Wow, it's a long time,
Yeah,
man.
it's been a while.
Long
it's been a
time.
very long time.
It's kept it in good nick, man. This thing's immaculate.
Yeah.
Inside and out. Like,
Hey, look, for a nearly 60-year-old car, it's f***ing pretty good.
it is
It's pretty good. Original paint, original interior. Oh yeah, we added the gauges and that because you got to add gauges.
it just adds to it.
Yeah.
It still looks old school, but
Yeah, definitely old school. Old school.
still got the chrome and everything.
Yeah.
I love it, man.
You just have to rev match.
Yeah,
you
rev
just
matching
have
in this,
to.
and in any muscle car, you got to rev match, eh?
Any car, turbo car, supercharged car.
Yeah,
V8,
man, in my
six.
Pulsar, I'm friggin' heel and
You rev-
towing,
yeah.
bro. I'm going to work, I'm in bumper to bumper traffic, heel and toe.
Womp womp.
Yeah, just, brapping about. What revs is it at right now?
That's like your rev limit.
Oh,
But
okay.
We just set it there because we
Yeah.
had a previous gauge and we set it on that. We don't really know
Yeah.
how much. I think 6.5 or 7 grand at revs too.
Yeah, wow.
But we don't go beyond that.
Nah,
point.
this thing's cruising, especially in the wet. Nice and slow.
Yeah, have to. It's
Yeah.
too risky.
100%. You don't need to go fast in these to have
Nah.
fun. It
Honestly,
already
you
sounds
really
amazing, as is.
You really don't need. Look, yeah, we give it hits here and there, like as you would, but really, you just chill, cruise. That's all you need.
So guys, we're going to leave the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun checking out the mad muscle cars down at Hercules Competition Engines. It was a Haus 365, is that it?
356.
Haus 356. Yeah, them doing that collab meet and for a good cause as well. Absolutely awesome. And if you did enjoy the video, please hit that subscribe button down below. At the time of filming, we're 20 subscribers away from 10K, which is absolutely nuts. It's been a long grind to get there, but yeah, we're very, very close. So if you guys did enjoy and want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. It'll do us an absolute solid, as well as liking and commenting on the video. That also is a massive help. But anyways, guys, I'll leave it there. I'll see you all in the next one on That Car Life.